The Skoda Superb has been a mainstay in the brand's lineup for years now, offering buyers a more affordable alternative to the Passat, Arteon, and other models in the Volkswagen lineup. For 2024, Skoda is rolling out an all-new generation of its flagship model, and from what we can see so far, it's shaping up to be the most technologically advanced and refined Superb yet. As is expected from a new generation, the 2024 Superb sports a more modern and streamlined exterior design. The styling is evolutionary rather than revolutionary, but the tweaked dimensions and sleeker contours give it a more upscale presence. Skoda claims the revised body shape helps optimize aerodynamics as well, which should contribute to better real-world fuel efficiency. The interior is where the biggest changes happen. Gone is the button-heavy dashboard, replaced with a minimalist layout dominated by screens. There's a standard 10-inch digital instrument cluster for the driver, and an available 13-inch infotainment display that handles the latest generation of Skoda's infotainment tech. Physical controls are limited to just a few dials and buttons for oft-used functions like volume and drive mode. Underpinning the new tech is an all-new electrical architecture that allows for advanced driving aids, improved voice control, and seamless smartphone integration via wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Connectivity and personalization are clearly focuses here, with the Superb gaining the ability to sync multiple user profiles via smartphone app. Each profile can recall personalized settings for everything from ambient lighting schemes to seat position and climate control preferences. The Superb's powertrain options are pulled from parent company Volkswagen's parts bin. For the US market, expect to see a choice of turbocharged four-cylinder engines, likely kicked off by a 1.5-liter mild hybrid. Higher trim levels will upgrade to Volkswagen 2-liter Turbo 4, possibly with all-wheel drive available. An eco-friendly plug-in hybrid should also make its way to US shores, providing an extended EV driving range of over 60 miles based on European estimates. If it comes here, the plug-in hybrid variant will only be offered in the more practical wagon body style. All Superbs get a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. While performance won't be too different from the outgoing model, Skoda promises the new Superb will have a more refined ride thanks to chassis upgrades like adaptive dampers. Helping things further are advanced tech features like predictive adaptive cruise control, which uses GPS and road data to optimize the Superb's speed for maximum fuel efficiency. Skoda's Simply Clever ethos shines through via details like an integrated ice scraper, a spot for a windshield shade behind the rear seats, and a washer nozzle for the standard backup camera. And new for 2024 is a clever minimalist air vent design that tucks away out of sight when not in use. The 2024 Skoda Superb looks to build upon its core strengths as a value-packed alternative to Volkswagen's Passat and Arteon, while moving the game forward with a huge infusion of new tech. Skoda fans will have to wait a little longer than Europe to get behind the wheel, as the new Superb isn't expected in US showrooms until late 2023 as a 2024 model. But when it arrives, we expect it to be the most technologically advanced and luxurious Superb yet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.